Hello guys, it's Jason here. This is my first voiceover hair tutorial on my channel. If you are my avid subscriber, thanks for supporting me, and welcome to my channel if you are watching my video for the first time. This is how I start with my client's hair. First, I analyze the hair. For example, my client's hair is dry, frizzy, unmanageable curls, uneven haircut, and even combination of white, brown, and black hair. This is how I'm going to fix it. Let's do it together. Before I start, I consider a lot of factors. First, I listen to my client's request and ideal hairstyle. I also ask if there are certain grooming requirements. Usually my clients are in a corporate sector and they need a clean and classic look. I also check the texture of the hair. We have different hair types, hair genes, and conditions. Some hair can easily hold a hairstyle or a product, and some hair are not able. And I give my recommendation, and we will meet halfway for a better outcome. Now let's watch the video together.
I never switch sides, like even when I die, I'ma ride for the squad, let her ties in the hearse. I've been on a vibe, kinda hard to describe. I'm in between, I'm good and it's fine, but I'm tired of the grind. Then I come alive in the night to realize I'm in the middle of the time of my life. I'm never so packed for the stack, never lied on the rap, got a bag from the way that I write it. Queen looking Tyson, threw that ass survive, doing 80 to the house, then I hit her to the sky, change haters on a tirade, talking to their grip in the face, be still, let that hate stuff fade. We all want the same, we all want a meal in the safe, I wanna live like I'm trying to reach enlightenment. Trail spill from my lips, feel big from the bib, take a sip till I pass out. Try and get grip, but it don't make sense, cause you can lose life on this fast route. Yeah, turn thoughts to reality.
I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah.
Let you down. All my melodies, Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul.
The music was amazing enough that I didn't want to interrupt it with my voiceover, but if you want a complete voiceover videos in the future, please comment below.
Since I was a child, when I was young and wild, nobody could ever tell me there was nothing to overwhelm me. I thought I was cool when I left school. Took some time for me to realize.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when I upload new videos. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. I can't wait to read your comments. Until next time guys, peace.